If you want to change the entire vibe of your bath or your shower, check out this speaker light combo from Gotopceed. My name is Kate with WTI and I'm absolutely loving this light. It's really easy to use. You power it on and you can directly connect to Bluetooth if you want to stream a podcast or listen to your own music. But it's even standalone, which is what I really love. So it has built-in sounds, different nature sounds to make it super relaxing. But my favorite part is the lights. Check out how many cool settings there are. So some of these match the sounds, and then you can kind of choose a variety of different ones. You can cycle through them all, and you'll get a totally different vibe if you take off the cover. So with it on, it kind of mutes it, makes it super relaxing. Take it off, and it's like ripples all over your ceiling and walls. This is also made moisture resistant, so in a bathroom, even in the shower, if it gets a couple drips on it, it'll still work just fine. It also has a remote where you can adjust the timer, the brightness, the volume, everything at the touch of a button. So if you want to totally step up your game, you want to be able to relax, enjoy some awesome lighting, or stream your music while you're winding down at night, I think you will love this speaker light, and that's my point of view.